Hi everyone, I hope that you completed all of your work for this morning for reading and writing. So you will be logging in to Google Meet at 12 to check in with Ms. Wilson, and she'll go over what you're supposed to do for today, but I will as well in this video. So I won't be doing a live math lesson today. So during synchronous time, you're going to be working on work that I put in Classwork. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, click on Classwork. You're going to find Wednesday's Math Nearpod Must Do, okay? And guys, please remember to read the instructions in that assignment. It says, please remember to show your work when you solve the word problems. You can use your notebook, paper, or solve in the Nearpod. You're going to click on the Nearpod, log in with Google. Yes. And you're going to complete the Nearpod. You're going to generate and solve word problem situations. So you're going to click through the Nearpod and complete the entire Nearpod. Today you will generate and solve word problem situations. You're going to watch the video on the next slide. You're going to go through and complete the Nearpod, okay guys? Then towards the end you're going to solve each word problem using the number sentence. So you're going to use that number sentence to complete the word problem. Then you're going to solve. Please, please, please remember to show your work either in the Nearpod or on a piece of paper, okay? After you've completed that, you're going to turn in your Nearpod assignment, and then you're going to complete your choice board for today, okay? In your choice board, you're going to do 20 minutes of Imagine Math, and then you're going to complete the quizzes for Wednesday, okay? So please don't forget about your choice board. 20 minutes for Imagine Math and then your quizzes, okay? I will see y'all tomorrow. Enjoy math. Bye.